Hi, how's everybody doing? This is Ken of Zolnerics Racing. This right here is my 1979 F350 light duty, running 460 T18 4-speed, Dana 60 rear, Dana 44 DF up front. We are here today at a dealer to check this beast out. 91 Ford 4x4, 460 cubic inch engine, fully blown. We got the blower, dual carb 650s, electronic fans. For a mud truck, I wouldn't do that, but you know, someone did. C6 trans. They even have the bell housing chromed. Not a smart idea, but it's got 44 by 19 and a half by 15-inch tires on it. Super swampers, boggers. Don't get this truck wrong. It is nice. Very clean. That's the bottom of the box. Yeah, as you can see, it's lifted. Hydraulic back box. Nice solid steel. Had some followers get a hold of me past couple days, ask about this truck. So I'm here today, check it all out. It's got custom gauges. It's got everything. Very nice truck, I'm not gonna lie. Me, myself, I'd have to change the color on it. But, old lady probably wouldn't let me do that. She would want it. And it also has rear steer. Me, myself, sorry. I've never believed in rear steer. You don't know how to spin it around without rear steer, you don't know how to drive. A few loose nuts and bolts. There's the top half of the blower system. Truck is nice. It is very nice. Professionally built, 460 C6 trans. All brand new steering, all brand new everything. Inner wheel wells are missing. Fiberglass hood. Bare minimum on the wiring, which is nice for a truck like this, because when you run with bone stock wiring, well, you get some ripped out, as we all know. I have had the problem several times. Here's back for a frame. I don't know what the hell they pulled out here. It was bracket, and they pulled out quite a few of the brackets in the back. They got bushings, as you can see here, for cab, to raise up the cab some. Me, myself, I don't believe in them things. You know, OEM works great for that. Said he could not fire it up today because batteries are dead. Now, truck was built up so good that your batteries die. No, I call bullshit. But someone left something on, which is very typical of people. Someone came on out here and fired it up, tested it. Could not drive it because law says you can't. Look at the pitch on that drive shaft. That is a retarded pitch. You are asking to rip your rear end out. That's too much of a pitch. That should not be like that. But it's got a decent pitch on the front, and I'll try to show it to you. There's very minimal pitch from the front yoke to the drive shaft, front drive shaft. which is very nice. Ren is even cocked forward on the bottom half, and you can see, you can't really see it real good there, but there you go. And this right here would probably be a little bit better. That's too much of a steep incline for that drive shaft. Well, I asked them to send me someone out here. Obviously, they're not going to. Obviously, they don't know what the hell they have here. Well, they know what they have. They just hope to hell that it sells itself. Which, it's a nice truck. But for that price, not a chance. I understand it's professionally built, but you're going to automatically lose half of what the hell you have into it. Which I'd probably say they have altogether, time, effort, parts, about 60,000 into it, at least. But here we go. They're asking 28,000. It's 91. No rust on it. Nice looking truck. Good tires. Look like they're new. Still got center on them. Center ridge. But as you can tell, they are old. Starting to get weather checked. But now we sit here with a dilemma. Who's going to pay this kind of price for this kind of truck? Okay. There are some yahoos out here that will pay this price without batting an eye because it's mommy or daddy's money. Maybe you earned it yourself, but if you're forking out this kind of cash, I don't think you earned it yourselves. You know, truck's worth $20,000 all day long. Anything over, me myself, I'd say 24. Better come with some new tires. New tires and checked all the way out and find out why the batteries are dying and they can't start it. Wanted someone to come on out here, compare my 460 in my truck to the 460 in this one. Now, mine's pretty much stock. Not professionally built, but this one here is proclaimed to be professionally built. Don't know who done work on it, but someone done it. So, ladies and gentlemen, it's all up to y'all. It's over here at Godfrey's in Cadillac, Michigan. If you're interested, come check it out. Fire it up, listen to it, if they'll let you. If they can find a set of jumpers or someone's pry bar to pry their head out their butt to get her done. So, sorry Marissa, sorry followers. Today I came down here to sound the engine off this engine, and they just can't find a set of jumper cables, a jumper box, or a truck to jump it. But I'll be damned. Yeah, plenty of vehicles here. I told them I got a set of jumpers, and they still haven't sent nobody out to me. I don't know if they're scared of my 79 F350 light duty, which it sure as hell don't look like a prize. Looks like an old beater, but it gets the job done. They'll fire up every time. They don't get going down the road every time. So far today, I come on over here to hear this thing run, this 91, and well, I get told the batteries are dead and they need to jump start it, and that's it, send someone out. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I've probably been out here for about an hour now, bullshitting, yawing. Still nobody. They went and played with another couple other vehicles out on their lot. Looked on over this way and giggled and laughed like a bunch of jackasses. Not even like hyenas. So, I don't know if I trust it or not. I haven't heard it. I see it. Looks are deceiving. I think that's how come they don't want to fire it up. But anyways, it's not my judgment call if y'all want to buy it. It's down here for $28,000. If not, they'll drop the price on it. They always will. If not, they won't sell it. You know, sure, it looks all right. As I said, looks are deceiving. I haven't heard it run, so I can't speak on that part. All right, y'all have a nice day. Wish you the best. Sorry, followers. I tried getting someone out here to fire this thing on up. Well, nobody wanted to come out and fire it up. So, all right, y'all have a nice day. Have a safe one. Keep it in the mud.